Hi everyone, here at PC911 we're going to go ahead and show you how to change the LCD on a Samsung Galaxy S4. First we're going to start off by making sure that the device is fully off. We're going to remove the back cover, the battery, put that to the side. We're going to go ahead and remove all of these screws and place them to the side as well. Alright, now that we've got all of the screws removed and put to the side, we're going to take our spudger and we're going to carefully remove the back cover. Put that to the side. Next, we're going to remove all of the cables connected to the logic board. Next, we're going to remove this screw that is holding the logic board down and put this to the side. Let's go ahead and remove our logic board now. Next, we're going to take some tweezers and we're going to remove this cover to the charge port. Now that we have removed the plate, let's go ahead and put this to the side and start removing our charge port. Now, you are going to need a heat gun, hair dryer, something that produces enough heat to go ahead and get the LCD and glass removed. Alright, I recommend to go ahead and use some guitar picks to go ahead and get a corner started. Let's go ahead and start heating the corners up. Now, with extra care, down at the bottom we do have our soft keys and our home button. Very delicately, with some heat, remove it. There goes our glass. This device has been repaired previously. Let's go ahead and clean up the outer edges, remove all adhesive possible, and then we'll get started on the LCD removal. Alright, we've gone ahead and we've already removed the LCD. Now what you want to do is clean whatever is left over or behind from the LCD. Now that this is clean, we can go ahead and start setting up the adhesive and prepping for the new LCD. Alright, I've gone ahead and I've added adhesive all around, taken the strips off, and we are now ready to go ahead and install our new screen. Let's go ahead and remove the back plastic. That'll reveal the new adhesive.
I don't know. I don't know who's complimenting. No, you know, if you got your child under your mom, then of course that's the most valuable thing. But I don't lie.
Don't forget to add your home button.
But yeah, he's always saying the same thing. He's like, you need a protective case. I don't. I like that. Okay. Well, thank you for your help.
Like $160, you know.
Alright, we've got our screen now installed.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead and install everything. Place it back. Alright, now that we have everything put back together, we've got to put these screws back onto the logic board. Alright, gotta go ahead and put this back on. Alright, we've gone ahead and put the screws, the back cover. Let's put the battery in. Let's turn this bad boy on.